Hi, I am Dr. Harun Basha, and I am going to take up today's topic is about organization theory. First, we can see the meaning of the organization theory. The organization theory, which includes the analysis of a productivity and performance of organization and actions performed by the employees, group or individual within them in the organization. That is the main term and the meaning of the organization theory. Now we can see about the theories, that is the different theories involved in the organization. First we can see the sixth organization theory. That is the organization theory helps to see the social and the behavioral scientific methods that helps to develop the various theories and the describes in the correct way and understand and to approach the key performance and the productivity and the success in the particular organization. This organization theory discuss about the different ways maintained by the managers, rules and regulations maintained by the managers and the supervisors in the particular organization that helps to see the leadership responsibilities in order to yield the productivity profit in the organization. That is the major point in the we can study in the organization theory. The main purpose of studying the organization theory is to see the productivity, increase in productivity, increase in profit and increase in the customers in the particular organization. Next we can see about the primary organization theory, that is the sixth primary organization theory. The first organization theory is the classical theory. Classical theory may be called as a primary, it is a primary aspects of the business and it is a formal organization structure, in the formal organization structure. In this theory, discuss about the divide on the professional tasks in the particular organization, and it helps to know the effect and the effectiveness of the organization. That is, in other terms, we can say that is, it helps to know the efficient and the effectiveness in the particular organization towards the organization rules and regulations and the employees effectiveness and the employees encouragement and the atmosphere, all the aspects, the employees enthusiasm in the work and the profit of the companies and it helps to know the main purpose of increasing the productivity, increasing in the profit in the organization. That is the classical theory. And the classical theory helps to know the relationship between the impact of the company's functions and the production in the company, in the organization. And the next is the organization theory, the classical theory has four major principles. We can see about the first principle. The first principle is the division of labor. The division of labor is a very important primary aspects, that is the principle in the classical theory and in the all the organization, because the division of labor plays a major role in the company in the financial terms. That is, in other words, we can say that it helps to know the principal production of the companies and the commodity split in the various divisions in the manufacturing company. It helps to know the people of work, which we can divide according to their area of specialization. That is, in an organization there will be a different areas, there will be a lot of our departments in the organizations. After recruiting the employee, that is the labor, the particular manager or the supervisor should have a knowledge so that the particular employee can be fit in the particular organization. For example, if an accountant person should be fit in the account department only. If a manufacturer, that is, if the particular person has a knowledge in the manufacturing, that is in the financial term, that is in the technological term, so that if the technological person, they should be fit in the R&D department, that is the research and development department, so that the knowledgeable person can get the particular job so that they can increase their productivity and increase the technology in the particular company. That is the division of labor in the is very important in the organization. Next we can see about the functional process. The functional process is it deals with the company's vertical growth of the company. Meaning it helps to see the relationship between the business leaders and the employees. It also means that the professionals in the management instruct of the employees and the employee carried out of the carried out of the actions. The actions of the employees plays a major role in the functional process. Next is if the why the employees functional roles plays a major role means in an organization, the employees is a main people for the company. If the employee should have a good knowledge, if the employee should have a good knowledge, means they can able to work in the company with the help of the knowledge, so that they can able to increase the technology, increase the production, increase the profit in the organization. So the functional process is also very important in the organization. Next, we can see about the structure. The structure of the organization. The structure of the organization is the principal structure describes the pattern of the professional behavior and the accomplishment of the organization goals. The organization goal plays that the organization goal is to make a profit. All the manufacturing companies, all the organization, the main goal is to make a profit and increase the customers. So that how they can increase the customers, how they can increase the profit is to make to a recruit, that is the employee should have a good knowledge in the organization, and the employee should have enthusiasm, and the atmosphere should be good, so that they can be able to use their knowledge, use the technology, introduce new innovations. So the structure, for the main purpose of structure is they should recruit a particular person and they should fit in the particular person in the particular department. So the structure, the organization should have a particular rules and regulations. So the structure of the organization, it should be according to the rules and regulations fixed by the management department. Okay, so the structure is very important. Next is the span of control. The span of control should be maintained, and the rules and regulations should be maintained in the particular company. Without the span of control, without a particular person, controlling person, the company can't be able to work, because the span of control plays a major role. If a company manager should, for example, the manager plays a major role for the control. If the particular manager has no responsibility, the particular manager has lots of responsibility. So first, the particular manager should have a good knowledge about the manufacturing, about the employees, and about the employees' knowledge. So then only he is a particular person can able to control the employees. Without the knowledge, he can't able to make control, and he can't able to run the that is run the company. So the span of control plays a major role in the in the manufacturing company. Next, we can see about the neoclassical theory. It is the second part of the classical theory. Next, it is this study is a Hathron studies. It starts at the year of 1920s. The neoclassical theory is focus on the emotional and the psychological concepts of the people. Okay, it shows about the behavior of the employees in organization, and the social aspects, on the topics of the leaderships, moral, cooperation, contribution to the and the habits of the employees and behavior of the employees. It is very important that the manufacturer should take responsibilities, should give some benefits to the employees, so that they can able to get the ideas, so that they can able to get the ideas from the employees to develop the company. Next, you can see of the modern theory. The modern theory plays a major role nowadays. A lot of technology has been invented, so the modern theory takes place in all the organization throughout the world. The modern theory is also called as a modern organization theory. It includes a multiple management development approaches, because in an organization, in the management, all the organization should work together. So there should be a certain rules and regulations. In the olden theory, in the classical theory, in the old traditional theories, there will be some rules and regulations, because there are no technology has been introduced. So there will be rules and regulations will be fixed. After the technology has been introduced, the modern theory plays a major role. So why the modern theory has been introduced is in an organization, all the departments should be interrelated. All the interrelated means they should be related, they should work together, then only they can able to get the profit, then only they can able to develop the company. So the modern theory plays a major role in organization. This theory interacts between the people in organization and the surrounding, and that is environment. That is, in other terms, we can say, in this theory helps to know the people in the organization, that is employees, and outside the organization, that is the customers. If the customers, in an organization, customers plays a major role. If there is no customers, there is no organization. We can't able to do the business. We can't able to market the product. We can't able to sell the product. So we should know the customer's perception. Then only we can able to develop the product. After developing the product, we can able to grasp the customers, we can able to get the profit. That is the modern theory. Next is the contingency theory. The contingency theory is also known as decision theory. The decision theory is also a very important theory in all the organization, because the particular person, in an organization we can't able to give we can't able to take the decisions from all the, that is all the employees. We can able to get the decision from all the employees, but there should be only a single person to take a particular decision and implement it. So the manager plays a major role for take a particular decision. The particular manager can take the ideas from other employees, and after getting the ideas, he should analyze it, which idea can be implemented. After implementing, we should get a positive result. Without the positive result, the company's profit, they can't able to achieve the goal. So the positive impact should be the positive impact of the company, of the ideas, it is in the hands of the manager. So the contingency theory, that is a decision maker, should be a single person in an organization, and he should have a good knowledge towards all the aspects of the companies. So the contingency theory plays a major role. Next we can see about the motivation theory. The motivation theory is also plays a major role in the marketing departments, and the motivation theory is also helps the employees, because the company's management should motivate the employees to by financial or non-financial term. For example, if it is a financial term, if the particular employee is working hard in the company and he is showing a positive result for the company, he is showing a profit for the company, means they can able to give the financial benefits, that is like increments, salary increase, like that, or they can able to give leave with the salary. For example, if they are in the marketing department, the marketing person plays a major important role in an organization. In an organization, marketing department is a very effective department, because the particular manufacturer can't able to see the customer. The salesman, that is a marketing department, the salesman will be there. The salesman goes to the market and sees the customer, get the ideas from the customers. He is a particular person. The manufacturer, that is the company's manager, will approach the salesman in the particular organization in a meeting. He will get an ideas from the salesman, because he the particular person will go to the customers and interact and communicate with the customers, and he will get an ideas about the product, about the taste and the preference, about the perception of the customers towards the product of the company. So motivation is very important. Without the motivation, the salesman can't able to get the enthusiasm in the work. So the enthusiastic environment is very important, so that the motivation theory is very important. The motivation factor makes all companies towards a positive result. It shows the positive results. Without the motivation, we can't able to get a profit, but we can't able to get the maximum profit. That is the goal. We want to achieve the goal, means motivation is very important. Next we can see that last point about the open system theory. The open system theory is also a last theory. It plays a major role in all the countries, all the economic, the developing countries, developed countries. The open system is very important. For example, India is using the open system economy. Because the open system means they will be having certain rules, and they will be having some rules and regulations. That is the open system theory. It is also a concept. It argues that an organization environment influence it, and it understands the impact of the influence that helps the manager and to make an effective leadership strategies. That is the meaning of that open system theory is, with the help of the open system theory, we can get the technology from the other countries without any government interference. After getting the technology from other countries, with a particular manager can learn the technology and introduce the technology, and they can increase the manufacturing, that is increase the manufacturing product. If they increase the manufacturing, that is the unit, for example, if I am having a company, for example any product, for example I will take a pencil as an example. If I am having a pencil company, means I want to get more profit, I want to get the more customers, then for that I can be able to depend on the employees. For that I want to recruit more and more employees. If I recruit more and more employees, that is laborers, I want to give a salary for them. It is not a positive impact for the company, it's a negative impact, because I want to give the salary. So that if they introduce the technology from the other countries, So the machines have been introduced. We don't want to recruit the employees. Then the salary, financially, the company may be a strong in the strong level. Next is after recruiting the particular employees, after taking the machines plays a major role, so that the open market plays a major role for the particular development and the particular economy of the particular country. This is the concept and the classical theory of the organization. And I am closing this topic, and thank you.